Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's news is going to absolutely make your day, especially if you are a huge Sony fan. If you have been waiting for that one device that finally forces you to retire your DSLR, listen up, because there is a serious storm brewing in the smartphone market. Sony is gearing up to release a device that is ready to go toe-to-toe with the iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And the craziest part, rumors suggest that compared to these giants, this phone might actually offer insane value for money. We are talking about the Sony Xperia Pro 2. The leaks are out, the hype is real, so let's dive deep into why this phone is being called a total beast. Display. First, let's talk about the experience of holding this thing. Imagine a massive 6.8-inch 4K HDR OLED display. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. With HDR10 Plus support, and a 120Hz super smooth refresh rate, every scroll and swipe is going to feel buttery smooth. True to Sony's heritage, you're getting the 21:9 cinema wide aspect ratio, and for the gamers out there, this is huge. It features a 360Hz touch sampling rate, meaning your inputs will register with lightning speed. Of course, it keeps the premium features we love, like an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Camera setup. But let's get to the feature everyone is really waiting for, the cameras. The upcoming Xperia Pro 2 isn't just a phone, it's a game-changer developed with technology straight from Sony's legendary Alpha division. Its main strength is a massive 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor for incredible low-light performance and detail. That is paired with a 48-megapixel ultrawide lens, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens, with 5x optical zoom. But the most unique feature rumored is a rotating camera mechanism. This could give you physical control over zoom and focus, just like a real DSLR lens, which is a dream for pro users. Throw in 4K 120fps video recording, and Zeiss coating on all lenses, and you have a rig built for creators. Plus, there is a sharp 32-megapixel shooter on the front for your selfies. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute monster. It's rumored to pack the strongest mobile processor we've seen yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Whether you are doing heavy gaming or running multiple apps at once, this phone won't even break a sweat, all running on the latest Android 16. It's backed by a massive 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and a whopping 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Battery backup. To power all these insane specs, Sony is packing a 5500 mAh battery that should easily last you a full day. And when you do run dry, a 66-watt fast charger will get you back to full power in no time. Price and launch date. Finally, let's answer the big question, the price and availability. Leaks suggest the price in the USA will hover around $1,800. Now, I know that sounds steep, but considering you are getting a high-end smartphone, and a DSLR-level camera rig in one, that is actually pretty aggressive pricing compared to the competition. We don't have an official launch date yet, but as soon as we get an update, I'll let you know. So, what do you think? Is this upcoming beast worth the hype? Let me know in the comments below.